Hi guys, this is Frank Sadu speaking from Victoria Forex. I am going to show you a technical analysis about gbpjpy. I am expecting it to happen really soon. Let's start by putting a trend line from two previous supports, resistance. Let's move it right there. Pretty much. I just wanna fix it on the screen. There we go. I am going to put it from that point to that other one, and let's keep going right there. So that's a trend line. I'm in the union of 2 points, this one and the other one. So it went down, bounce, it went down, and we are hoping for it to come up here again. Now I am going to put a support zone right here. So we are not expecting it to go farther this point, or if it breaks, no more than that one right here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Well, I have something blocking me the view right here. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's see if we find previous supports or resistance. If we have a line right here, well, it kind of hit the here several times, then it broke. It doesn't count much. If I go to the 1-hour chart, let's zoom out. Yeah, kind of this area. I'm just going to get this pen. This is kind of an area to watch because we had a previous consolidation in this point, you see, like consolidating before going up. And this is something similar happening right here, is consolidating. So I believe that if gbpjpy doesn't break this level 132.4 at market opening, could go down and bounce up. Let's see if it hits at least this trend line right here. Let's zoom a little bit more. Here we go. As you can see, it started slowly an uptrend. We are seeing the true trend right here, went up, went down a bit, now it's going to bounce maybe and start going up. And when Tokyo opened right like about here more or less, I believe it's going to sky up. It's going to skyrocket at least 50-60 pips. Let's place a Fibonacci level right here. Fibonacci retracement from always from left to right, from the highest to the lowest. All right, let's do it. Here we go. So you see the highest point, that's the 0%, the 100% Fibonacci. That's the lowest point. I am on the 0%. Here we go. So it went down all the way to here, came up to the 23% level. So far it failed to break. It was losing its trend at that point because market was about to close. That was after the NFP. So that was a crazy week. As you can see in the 1-hour chart how many candles we have. It's been consolidating since Bank of England news. So it did a huge drop, then started consolidating until NFP, moved a lot, came back again, and it keeps consolidating. So I am hoping for this consolidation to end at that point and spike up at least to the 50% Fibonacci, and aiming for the 60%, 61.8%, that is that level right here. That was a previous support becoming a possible resistance at that point. So if I would have buy, I could have wait for this candle to be closed at here. That's the point. If you see go down, it's like 2 o'clock MetaTrader time. You can see it right here. You see, 2 o'clock MetaTrader time, and that's gonna be when Tokyo opens. And my thoughts are that it's going to skyrocket at least 50 pips at Tokyo opening. But like, we can analyze the market but never do a prediction. You have to wait. Maybe at 5 o'clock Eastern time when market opens, this pair start going down, 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 breaks this support level, and then it's gonna be like a free fall, and it's gonna fall like crazy. Because if you go further, what is the next? Let's go on the 4-hour chart to make it easier for you guys. What is the next support? Or right here you have like there, you have an area here that was a resistance before, could become a new support. So maybe go down to 132.87 before bouncing, but that we cannot know. Predictions are telling that it's going to respect the downtrend, but it's going to come to that point and bounce again. So my guess will be to buy until at least 60-70 pips and then wait for the bounce and sell. But as I told you, that's a technical analysis. That is not a prediction. We can never predict the market. If you want to trade this pair, please do your technical analysis. Risk management is the key. If you have a $100 account, only trade 1.01 or 1.02. Don't risk more than 2 to 5% of your account, always. Doesn't matter how many times we are wrong, it matters how many pips we get at the end. If you only risk 20 pips per trade and then you make one hit of 200 pips, but you lost only 5 trades before, you are still profitable. So what matters is how many pips you get at the end and know how many losses you get. So that's my prediction for this pair that is coming. It's gonna be in action really soon. Now it's 11:45. Market's going to open in 5 hours 15 minutes. So let's see what happens after that. Talk to you next time, guys.